Welcome to the video on how to configure a shared address book from ConnectXF server on a Thunderbird client. Mozilla Thunderbird is a free, open-source, cross-platform, desktop email client that has larger supporting community behind it. This video assumes that you have installed and configured a ConnectXF server version 3.4 and above to send and receive mail for your domain. It also assumes that you have downloaded and configured Thunderbird Desktop Client version 3.1.9 and above on your desktop to send and receive mail for your account. In addition to the personal address book with your personal contacts, you can access the shared address book from the ConnectXF server. A shared address book comprises the details of all the users hosted on your domain and the addresses of users on other sister domain. Configuring shared address book is very simple. Click Mozilla Thunderbird icon on your desktop to have a look at Mozilla Thunderbird interface. The minibar shows File, Edit, View, Go, Message, Tools and Help. First, go to Tools menu on minibar and click Account Settings. The Account Setting dialog box opens. On the Account Setting dialog box, select the Composition and Addressing option. On the right-hand side, on the Addressing section, check Use a different LDAP server option is selected and click Edit Directories. The LDAP Directory Servers dialog box opens. Click Add to open the Directory Server Properties dialog box. This Directory Server Properties dialog box shows three tabs: General, Offline, and Advanced. On the General tab, enter the details as follows. In the name field, type the name of the directory server, for example, _LDAP. In the host name, type the ConnectXF server IP or URL, for example, 192.168.0.54. In base DN, type DC is equal to address book. In port number, the default port number is 389. And in bind DN, type your mail ID, for example, mail is equal to john.smith@actoncorp.co.in, space and then, type DC is equal to address book. Click OK to proceed, or click Cancel to abort configuring address book. Now the ADAP Directory Servers dialog box shows new address book, that is, _LDAP. Select _ADAP and click Edit. Now select Advanced tab. Check Don't Return More Than field has 100 results. Subtree option is selected in the Scope field. Object class is equal to asterisk is typed in Search filter. And Simple option is selected in Login method. Click OK to proceed. Now the address book shows newly added _ADAP, in addition to personal address book and collected addresses. So this is how you configure your webmail server address book to your Thunderbird. Now we will have an overview on how to use the address book. Click Address Book on Tools menu to launch the address book application in a separate window. In the left pane, _ADAP configured address book, including personal address book and collected addresses, are shown. If you want to search for an address in the ADAP address book, select the address book from the left menu, and in the search box on the right-hand corner, enter the first few characters of your contact. For example, if you type Elizabeth in the search box in the name, you get details of Elizabeth, that is Elizabeth Gordon from Acton Corp. Or if you type Acme in search box, you get list of contacts from a Corp domain. Note, you may have to enter the password of the email account on the ConnectXF server if you are searching for the first time. Now, we will see how to maintain an offline cache of the DAP address book. Select the address book and right-click /DAP to open the pop-up menu. From pop-up menu, select Properties. The Directory Server Properties dialog box opens. Select Offline tab on it. On this page, now click Download Now to create the address book cache. After replication succeeded, message appears, click OK. So, this is how you cache the address book. Thanks for watching this video.